welcome back to my channel. Before we get to this video, smash that like button. Here, we're at assembly at Somerville, Massachusetts, and I really just want to show you all these really cute decorations. Look at the trees. They are super cute. I love them. Look at over here. I love them. They're just too cute not to show. Then we just passed by these like little things. They're like Christmassy, like these wreaths, I think. Oh my god, they were super cute. Amazing. Oh, look at the giraffe. Oh my god, I know we've been here, and then at COVID time, they had a mask. It's chilly. You probably see everybody has their jackets. It's freezing. It's not freezing, but it's pretty chilly. It's definitely time for a jacket. Look at Legoland. I love Legoland. It's very fun. Banana Republic right there. There's an ice cream place. If you have this on your place, it's right there. We love their ice cream, so good. Whoa! Oh my god! Look how beautiful is this. I have to show this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the weather, when you smell the air, super beautiful, guys. It's terrible. We have some music in the car. Oh, look, there's like a boat. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, there's a playground over here, I know. Look, there's a playground. That's super cute. Look at this playground. Let's go. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Beautiful. I like this. It's super peaceful. This is so nice. I love it. Look at the ocean over there. The ocean, the boats. These are, oh look at this fire! S'mores. So look at that. Super cute. Restaurants here. Guys, I seriously recommend you to come here. It's the best. If you want to know, it's assembly in Somerville, Massachusetts. Yes. Cafes. Oh my god, I remember they put this. You see like this, it looks like ornaments. They put that every single year. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Because sometimes we take pictures on them. Also beautiful. Then you just turn, you just look at these. I cannot wait for Christmas. Really, I really cannot wait. We went shopping for Christmas a little. Stop. This is literally freaking cute. So cute. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, zoom in. That is so nice. Oh, Nike store. Who likes Nike? I love Nike. Oh my god. Look up there. It's chilly. I'm on top of the car. It's very chilly because my mom is driving like super fast. It's chilly. Oh my god, look at that decor. Look at that decor. Way up there. Look how cute that is. Those faces, they change colors. That is beautiful. It's been so long we didn't come here, and it was such a big change for us. So we really want to show you. Look at that. This is like like the Christmas season. Oh my god. That is super cute. That is super literally cute. Look how cute that is. That is super cute. Look at that. I'm like right in front of it, and I have never been right in front of it. It's super cute. That is super nice. I really wish you were in person. It would feel super nice. Oh my god, that is super nice. No, if this had this theme happened in the winter, it would look awesome. Trust me. Then this is how the rest looks like. Trees. I love it. They light up trees everywhere. It's really awesome. It's just, there's like, oh my god, look at this. Butterflies. Oh my god, this is super cool. I cannot stop showing you this, guys. Way too cool. Way too cool not to show. That's why I wanted to show you. But there was this one deco was freaking cute. Freaking cute and nice. Really beautiful. And that's where we're going to end it, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.